Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be talking about the quadratic formula and how you can factor anything you want. So firstly, let's take a look at what the quadratic formula is. You can use the quadratic formula when a polynomial cannot be factored normally, or just use it if you want to, and we talked about how to factor in the previous two lessons. The solutions to the quadratic formula are the values that make the given equation true. And for a trinomial in the form of ax squared plus bx plus c, the quadratic formula goes as follows. X is equal to minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Now I know this might seem a little overwhelming, but once you start solving using the quadratic formula, this gets pretty easy to memorize. So now let's take a look at how we can solve using the quadratic formula. So in this case, we need to solve the equation 6x squared plus 45x plus 54 is equal to 0, or find the values of x that satisfy this equation. So the first thing we need to do is to find a, b, and c. So a is 6, b is 45, and c is 54. The next thing you do is to plug those values into the quadratic formula. In the previous slide, we saw the values that need to be plugged in, and all we're doing here is we're replacing these letters with numbers that we found in step 1. Now the next thing you're going to do is simplify this. If you did the math over here, which I'm not going to do for simplicity, but if you simplified this using basic arithmetic, you would simplify it to this. Negative 45 plus or minus 27 over 12. Now what you need to do is you need to make two separate equations using this plus or minus sign. Now plus or minus means that there's one solution where this is the plus, and there's one solution where this is the minus. So our two equations are negative 45 plus 27 divided by 12, and negative 45 minus 27 divided by 12. Now that we have these equations, all we need to do is simplify them. So for equation 1, where we had x is equal to negative 45 plus 7 divided by 12, you could simplify it to negative 18 over 12, which means that x is equal to negative 1.5. For equation 2, we can do the same thing, and we will find that x is equal to negative 6. So our answers are x is equal to negative 1.5 and x is equal to negative 6. That's all for this video. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next one.